Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add button on Facebook page. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open your Facebook account. So here you can see this is our Facebook account. So to add a button on your Facebook account, what you have to do is switch to your page. So over here, let's switch to our page. On the right hand side, click on your profile picture, and here you can see you have the option to switch to your page. So here I am now switched as my page. So here you can see there are some posts. So to add a button, you can see we have 3 buttons over here. Now let's click on these 3 right dot, and now click on view as. So let's view what a public would see over here. So as you can see, there are 3 buttons over here that public will be able to see. So to add a button, what you have to do is, let's head back to the page, click on these 3 dots once again, and here click on add action button. Now here there are various options to choose from, so you can choose any of the button, the call to action button. So you can choose various options given over here, such as sign up or a store. So I'm just going to give a contact us button over here. Now click on next, and here you can see we have options over here. So now this is our name. You can add phone number or email, and now click on save. So here you can give your privacy policy, which is optional. So once you have done that, save this, and now our button has been added. So now let's reload the page, and again let's view as a public. So here you can see we have the contact us button. So that is how you'll be able to add a button on your Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.